5 minutes. Yes. Yes. Okay, is everybody here?
Yes.
Is everybody here?
Yalla, everybody here. I think yes, everybody here.
I'm waiting for everyone because I will explain something. I would like to mention about our gallery.
Okay. People.
Tamam abi.
Guys,
Şuraya baksana.
No, they not.
Okay then, I would like to mention about our gallery. We have two different sections. Here is the regular section and we have also the Grand Master section inside, okay? We will go to there, but in this part we have some promotion pieces, some apprentice pieces. For example, on these shelves, on that wall, the colorful items, these are promotion pieces. And also here we have some bowls and the other turquoise, the greenish blue plates and the other colorful plates. These are promotion pieces. You have 50% off discount, okay? Because these are apprentice pieces. Okay, you guys. Then we can go to the other section. We will begin from there and you can come back here, okay? You can follow me.
Oh no.